Hi, to build a custom WooCommerce shop page, you need to install Elementor Page Builder Free, ShopEngine and ShopEngine Pro. So make sure you've installed and activated all the required plugins. The first step is to enable all the required shop page widgets by ShopEngine. For that, navigate to ShopEngine Widgets. Scroll down to the archive section. Here, you can use all the archive widgets to create your shop page. However, you need to enable the widget before you can use it. To enable a widget, turn on the toggle button. Once you turn on all the required widgets that you're going to use, click on Save Changes. Now, you're ready to build your shop page. Navigate to ShopEngine, Build as Template. Click on Add New. Provide a title, choose Shop as type, turn on the Set Default option, it's very important. You can import any of the pre-built sample. Since I'm going to show how to build one from scratch, I'm choosing the blank template. Now, click on Edit with Elementor. Click on the plus icon to choose a layout. I'm choosing a single column layout. On the left panel, scroll down to the ShopEngine Product Archive section. Now, drag and drop the Archive Title widget. You can change the HTML tag for the title, alignment, change the color, typography, etc. Now, drag and drop the Archive Result Count widget below the Archive Title widget. Here also, you can change the alignment, color, and typography. For the next part, I'm going to choose a 2-column layout. Now, drag and drop the product filter widget. Here, you can customize all the product filters option. For product price filter, you can change the title, minimum and maximum range. Similarly, you can customize the different options of rating filter, color filter, category filter, etc. As per the layout, you can change the filter view mode as card or collapse. I like the card style better. You can change the filters per column, customize the gap between filters. You can also add attributes to your filters. Now, move on to the Style tab. Here, under Common Style, you can change the title typography, body typography, change the heading color. You can also use different settings under Price filter to change the look of this widget. You can change the product rating icon, change the color of the icon. Lastly, you can change the padding around category filter if you want. Now, drag and drop the archive product widgets. You can change the layout of the products from WooCommerce Customizer. The link of this doc is given on the description box. Under Content, you can choose to show or hide the flash sale badge, categories, rating, regular price, off tag, and many other options. You get 4 different pagination style options. I'm choosing the load mode type. You can also customize the order of CTAs, add to cart, wishlist, quick view, etc. Move on to the Style tab. You can change the product container alignment, background color, alter the gap between products. For product categories, you can change the maximum categories, color, typography, and padding. You can change the color, over color, and typography of product title. Change the color and typography of product price. Customize the color and background color of Add to Cart button, Alter the flash sale color and background color. I've shown a few style settings. You can go through each of them to style the shop page according to your preference. Once you're done with all the customizations, click on Update to save. And there you have it. Your very own custom WooCommerce shop page built within a few moments using Elementor Page Builder and the amazing Shop Engine.